From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to everybody out there. I'm student meteorologist Hunter Williams here with your Campus Weather Service web update for this Wednesday morning. Now, the wintry weather that we saw move through yesterday afternoon and into the overnight hours continuing to cause problems here into this morning. In fact, University Park campus for Penn State delaying classes until 10 a.m. State College area schools as well operating on a 2-hour delay, and unfortunately we have more winter weather on the way by the time we get into this evening, and of course we'll have all the details coming up here in a bit. Now, temperatures across Centre County right now into the upper 30s. We're above freezing in most places here, 38 in Bellefonte, 35 in Beech Creek, 35 as well in Stormstown, but a little cooler off to our west. Now, most areas in the state hanging to the freezing mark or just above for most locations here, 35 in Philadelphia, 34 in Allentown, 33 in Scranton, cooler off to the west as we're seeing 31 in Bradford this morning. Now, we are seeing the precipitation continue to move through here. Frozen precipitation over parts of eastern PA, Allentown, Scranton, south towards Philadelphia, seeing some of this frozen precipitation. For us here in central Pennsylvania, things falling as just rain this morning here in State College. But as we take a closer look, some frozen precipitation already into parts of northern Centre County. And as we push west into parts of Clearfield County, you see the snow rain line there. We could transition back over to snow by the time we get towards this afternoon, as we have plenty of precipitation continuing to cycle through here. As we take a wider view, you can see precipitation stretching back into parts of Ohio and into Indiana here. So we will continue to see the snow and then the rain through parts of this morning and into the afternoon and overnight hours, and a significant snowfall possible for parts of southern Pennsylvania. Now, here in central Pennsylvania, accumulations look to be lighter, but south of Interstate 80, we could see some higher accumulations. This includes Philadelphia, Harrisburg, and Johnstown. Those cities there could see the higher accumulations for this event that we'll be seeing tonight, for accumulations over 4 inches in some areas here. So now we will time out the accumulations and what you need to be expecting here. Now, through the morning hours, we're seeing the rain here in central Pennsylvania, the mix and the snow off to our west. But as we progress through the afternoon, we see the precipitation start to shift southward. Now, once again, most areas to the south are going to be seeing the bulk of this precipitation, but once we get later on into this afternoon, you can see snow widespread across most of the state once again around midnight tonight, and this continues overnight. But really, most areas to our south are going to see the bulk of this snow, where they could see those accumulations over 4 inches once again. But we continue to see the snow showers cycle through overnight, but by the time we get into Thursday evening, snow should be out of here for the most part here in the state of Pennsylvania. But how much snow can you be expecting here? Here in central Pennsylvania, once again, lighter accumulations for State College, 1 to 3 inches look likely. But as we get further south, some heavier accumulations for places like Harrisburg, York, Altoona, and Johnstown, where you could see 3 to 6, even over 6 inches possible in these areas here. So a moderate snowfall to significant snowfall that we're expecting overnight tonight. Before today here in State College, rain and snow showers once again through the morning. Rain early, transitioning to more snow as we get later into the day. We should transition a little bit after 1 this afternoon, so anything that falls after 1 o'clock this afternoon should be in frozen form. We'll see that high of around 36 for this afternoon. And going overnight tonight, we see that low of around 18. The snow likely once again 1 to 3 inches here in State College. Heavier accumulations for points southward. We see the snow stick around for parts of Thursday morning. A colder day on Thursday, high of around 19. We drop down to around 0 overnight on Thursday, so once again remaining very cold. More sun Friday, Saturday, and into the beginning of next week, which is certainly welcome after all this winter weather that we've been dealing with. And we warm up into the upper 30s by Saturday into Sunday. And look at that, we get into the 40s by the time we start next week. Once again, I'm Hunter Williams here on behalf of the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.